Hey everyone, let's get ready for Disney World. So today I will be showing you everything I am packing. As you see, I have this huge suitcase, but I also have a bag full of stuff that I'm going to have with me. We are a family of five. I have two preteens, a son and a daughter, and then I have a toddler that's a boy. And of course, I have my spouse coming with us. So this is everything I have in this suitcase. I'm going to break down all the details, show you the essentials, and some of more of the fun items. So these are all our outfits except for that blank space. I last minute added all of my spouse's stuff in, and over here I have stacks, and each stack is per person. I find that makes it so easy, and what I'll do is I'll kind of fold like the shorts or pants within the t-shirt, and it just makes packing and finding outfits so convenient. And then of course this large packing cube is just great for socks, underwear, bathing suits, all of that. It keeps everything just so much more organized. Last time I did not use that, and wow, was that a pain trying to find it all. So these are the outfits I have planned. It's going to be so hot when we are there, and we do have a party day. So this light blue dress is my party dress. I'm going to be Disney bounding as Cinderella, and the rest of these outfits are just go to light comfy outfits. I highly recommend packing outfits you find comfortable, and if they could be cute, that's just a bonus, but definitely go for comfort number one. I love nice cotton tees, denim shorts, and just light breezy dresses. Now these are the outfits I have packed for my toddler. We are going to get him a more Halloween Mickey outfit once we're there, but for now I just wanted to stick to our basics. I love doing capsule wardrobes, so it's very easy to mix and match, especially if you are going to be doing laundry and you still want to have like a different outfit for each day and not wear the exact same thing. It's just absolutely amazing. I highly recommend doing the same. And yeah, all these colors go together beautifully. They look really good on him, and lots of cotton. Once again, it's so hot, and cotton is a very breathable fabric. This is what I packed for my daughter. She loves her Disney tees. She actually got all these on our last vacation, so I thought we would pack them again, and just a couple other tops. She doesn't want to constantly wear something Disney. And then of course we have some shorts and some skirts. Now for girls and even women, I highly recommend buying skirts with built-in shorts. So they're kind of called shorts. I don't know if they still call them that, but that was a thing back in the 90s, early 2000s. So yeah, really love that. You don't have to worry as much or wear biker shorts under them. I personally wear biker shorts because I find it hard finding this option for women, but for girls you could usually find the built-in shorts, which is just really nice. So once again, just very comfortable outfits, but they're also going to look really good in pictures. And yeah, just buy your kids stuff that you know they'll want to wear all the time, or just bring what they already have. You definitely don't need to go and buy anything special for every vacation. Okay, so this is what I packed for my eldest son. He doesn't mind wearing Disney tops still, which I absolutely love. And once again, we're going for comfort. Champion is one of his favorite brands, so I let him just pick out whatever tops he wanted to bring. And I know we're not going to Hollywood Studios this time, but Star Wars is still a vibe, it's still Disney. And so I just really like how all these outfits go together, and they're gonna mix so well, because once again it's kind of the capsule wardrobe where you're sticking to similar colors, so everything will go good. I did have to add a couple more pairs of shorts that were in the wash, so this is not everything that I am packing. Some stuff you just have to add last minute. Speaking of last minute, I will have my last minute items in the description below so you can see what else I'll be packing that is not shown in this video. So on this next side, I have some essentials, and then I just have some fun things like extra bags. Do I need to bring extra bags? No, but is it fun? And am I going to? Yes. And of course, I have ears and all that. So I'm going to just guide you guys through everything and let you know what I think is really great to bring. And some of these things you might have not even seen because I didn't even think of this stuff for my previous trip. Okay, so over here I have a reusable bib, and totally wish I brought that. My taller on the older side, but it would have been very helpful and saved some of his tops. Also, some more disposable bibs and diapers. He is potty trained, but you just never know. I'd rather just have him in a diaper and prevent any accidents, you know? It's better to be safe than sorry, especially when you're on vacation. That's the last thing you want to deal with. Now, if you collect these coins, make sure you buy a little book with them because they get scratched up super easily. So now I'm going to show you guys some of the packing cubes. They are not all full because, like I said, there are some last minute items that I do need to add. But we are going to start with one of the smaller ones over here. As you can see, some of the few things. I recommend Dermaplast because it's great for mosquito bites and sunburns. I also have my anti-fog glasses wipes, my jewelry container. I don't bring much, but it's nice to have a few options while you're on vacation. Of course, I also have some hair elastics, UTI test, one of those things that's just good to bring if you are a woman. I have a razor, I just need to add in the handle, and then some sunblock, lip balm, band-aids, and pimple patches because sometimes breakouts happen on vacation and I just love how these look over the skin. They really blend in well. This bag is a lot more fun. A lot of stuff is not essential. Like I have these glow-in-the-dark laces in case I want to add them on my shoes. These are from Temu and they actually do glow really well. Some fun nail decorations because we are going to the Halloween party, and some headbands for my Disney bounding Cinderella. More really cute stickers for some options. I have 3 magic bands. I still need to get one for my spouse and youngest. I have Pascal because I will be Disney bounding as Rapunzel for a character meal as well. I have my light up scrunchies, of course. And then in that big shiny bag, it's just full of Minnie Ears. I will be selling my own, so make sure you check out the description down below if you are interested. Now I'm going to show you a few other things that were on that side. So I have extra phone case. It's just a bit sturdier than my current one. And of course, cooling towels. You absolutely need these, especially for kids on a really hot day. They are a total game changer. So on this side, I do have some more basics like raincoats, storage bags, garbage bags, and just a fun activity. These are great for dining reservations. Keep your little ones entertained. And I have some packing bags over here. Some of them look really flimsy because I do have some last minute things that I need to add, like lotion, shampoo, all that type of stuff. So these will be really full right before we leave. And if you are wondering where I got all my traveling packing cubes and bags, it was from Temu. This little one will have our toothbrushes and toothpaste. Over in this one, body spray. I like something really light. I'm not a fan of heavy scents in really hot weather. And we have my spouse's beard wash and some body wash. You don't have to bring stuff like body wash. Most resorts and hotels have it, but I just prefer to. And yeah, that is everything I have over on that side. So now I'm going to be showing you what I'll be bringing in the bag beside me, and also we will be bringing some backpacks for some of the bigger items that really don't have a home. So for the backpacks, I have this little neck pillow. My kids love this to just have naps in the car, and I always recommend a nice blanket if you just need to sit down while you're at the park. You don't want to be on cement. It makes it a lot more comfortable, and this one is just really high quality. I really love it. I also recommend just a lightweight kind of receiving blanket if you just need to drape it over the stroller, block out any light, or even if your little one just wants to get a little bit cozy but it's just so hot, you don't want to give them a thick blanket, so something like this is just really good. And this one's super soft. I also have a couple other items, like my bag I'll be bringing with me right away, and this container just so I could pack some snacks in the morning for my little one because he is more picky, so I just want to have some of his favorites all in one place. Now in the bag that I just showed, this is everything that is in it. So a lot of these things are just essential or just some things that will be nice to have. The first thing I will be showing you is I always bring a bag of just basic medicine that I want to be able to reach, like gravel and Tylenol. It's just really convenient to have it. And I have my travel bag. These are great to store stuff like passport or cash. I just like having it all in one place. I also have a fidget toy and some masks. I really think the masks are great when using public restrooms because they could be kind of gross. And I just decided to bring them with me. I also have a new fidget board for my toddler. I think this will be great so he's not always watching stuff on his tablet. That's something else we'll be packing last minute. And it's just a new toy. I always recommend bringing a couple new toys because it just helps keep little ones' attention just a lot better than something that they've already played with a lot. So you don't need to spend a lot. I got this off Temu. It was a great deal, so I definitely recommend checking that out. It's really educational. I also have a fidget toy and this little camera. I think this will be really fun for him to gain some new skills. It'll be fun for him to kind of take some pictures and to see things in his view. And yeah, I really think he's going to enjoy that. I have some wipes down here. Just some wet wipes to clean hands. I like to use these other brand of wipes, Rascal and Friends. They're kind of like water wipes, so great to wipe down faces, especially for little kids. It's just very gentle. And just some soap so I could wash up our water bottles. That's always something that I think a lot of people forget. I know we forgot on our last trip, so I just decided to bring that to use it up. And I always bring a folder of our travel plans, and it just helps us keep on top of things, be very organized. So this is everything I'm going to be bringing that I just want to be in a bag near me for easy access, so I could just get anything without having to like scurry through like a suitcase. Like it's just not practical. I also just wanted to share my makeup with you guys because a lot of this stuff really does hold up well in that Florida humidity and heat, and it's just really served me well on our last vacation. So I just use this stuff bag from Amazon and it fits all of these items, which is just really amazing. So where should we begin? Some of the stuff, of course, you don't need like the lashes, but I'm just being extra. But essentials, make sure you bring a sunscreen that you love. And I also always bring something for acne, my favorite moisturizer, and I do use a retinoid. So these 4 items you see right here, absolutely adore them. I use this petroleum-free Vaseline for under my eyes. It's super hydrating. I feel like it's also helped my eyelashes grow. So major bonus. Of course, just some tweezers, trimmers. I use that for my eyebrows to keep the shape nice. I recommend a nice matte lipstick, especially when you're eating. It's just lip gloss could be everywhere. I know some people use lip balm. Sometimes I do too. I only use lip balm too, but it's nice to have that option. I have my favorite powder foundation, which served me really well this whole summer, so I know I'm going to love it for the trip because it's been so hot here. I always bring my Utiva pills. They help prevent UTIs. Love those. My favorite eyelash curler from Sephora. My favorite lip balm because it has SPF in it. My favorite go-to brushes. Over here I have some more acne patches. That little thing there is just a very old, probably should get thrown away, highlighter. Mascaras, I always recommend bringing a waterproof one. I have a hair clip. eyeliner, just all the basics that I found really worked well. And this is how everything looks like in the bag, and it zips up absolutely beautiful. So really adore this, and it goes in the suitcase really well. Make sure you thumbs up this video if you want to see more videos like this, and you're subscribed so you don't miss out on future content. I will be showing some footage of our trips and just more Disney content. Also check the description down below because I will be selling my own ears, and I hope you're all doing great. Bye.